Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I am going to solve sorted subsequence of size 3. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an array and you need to find any three elements in it such that array I less than array j less than array k, and I value will be less than j and j value will be less than k. It is the condition. And note that the output will be 1 if the subsequence returned by the function present in the array. And if the subsequent is not present in the array, then in that case you have to return an empty array, and this phase will handle by driver code. And if the subsequence returned by the function is not in the format as mentioned, then output will be -1. Now in given example, our input is array 1 2 1 1 3. Okay. Now write this 1 2 1 1 3. 1 2 1 1 3. Now in this example, you can see first hour which is the lowest value 1. So it will be I suppose, and then next value which is after 1 2, and next is 3. Okay. Next is subsequence means one after another in value. Now it is j, it is k, suppose. And you can see this one is less than j also. One first condition satisfied. Now this two is less than k means 3. Yes, it also satisfied. Now we have satisfied our condition. Now we have find the subsequence in this array. In this given array, we have find the subsequence of 3. So output will be output will be 1 because we find one subsequence 3, so it will return 1. Now given in next example, input array is 1 1 3. Okay, write down 1 1 3. Now in this array which is the lowest value 1 and next is 3, 1 also less than 3, but in this case there is not 3 elements because in our problem statement they have given we have to find sorted subsequence of size 3. So given subsequence size will be 3. So in this example subsequence size is 2. So it is not satisfy our condition. So in this case it be output will be 0. Output will be 0. Now what is the time complexity of this? Time and space complexity both are O of n. N is the number of the elements in the given array. Now go to approach. In given approach, first we will solve in our first method. We create an auxiliary array smaller, and it will store the index of number in who is smaller than this array I, and it is shown to left side. And then we create another auxiliary array, and finally we traverse both smaller and greater, find their index. It is first method. And next method is we find two elements array I j, and condition is array I less than array j, and then find the third element array k is greater than array j or not. Then we will traverse like this way, and in this case the time complexity will be O of n and space complexity is O of 1. Now go to code. In code, first we check the length of the given input array, and if length of the array size is less than 3, if length of the array size is less than 3, then we will return an empty array. Empty array we will return, because in our second note that second point is if subsequence is not present in the array, return empty array. So in this we return empty array, and then we initialize left minimum array, and then we fill the left minimum array using this for loop, and then we initialize right maximum array, and we will fill the right maximum array using following this for loop, and then we find the triplet of subsequence and using this condition, and then we return our given output. That's it. And this this continuing last condition, if the subsequence returned by function is not mentioned, and this will handle by this also automatically handled by driver code. In there is no subsequence, then it will handle by driver code given. This driver code will handle that. Okay, driver code will handle that. Now compile and run, and now submit. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Till then, tada, bye bye.